Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this card with the Splendid. Here is my pool party Splendid Day card. I used the Splendid Day bundle, which is part of the suite. There is also the soft seafoam seam binding ribbon that I used in another card, and the Splendid Day Designer Series paper. Each paper has a side that is foiled. So we've got copper, pool party, Sahara sand, fresh freesia, soft seafoam, and copper. So super pretty paper. They've never had any paper like this before. And then we have these fun open leaf trinkets. And this is great because you have a circle where you could tie a bow or attach it on, or even make earrings or keychains with it. You get 20 of them for $8, so it's about 40 cents per trinket, so that's also a great deal. And if you purchase the bundle, you can receive these free note cards and envelopes in soft seafoam and pool party. You get 10 of each and 20 envelopes, and you can do my envelope trick where you cut up the envelope the inside and out, and you use this side, so 1, 2, 3, and you can get 3 more cards from this envelope. You could also use this side because it has this fun design, or this side with this design. So I think cutting up the envelopes would be the best use for them, because typically I throw away envelopes. I don't keep them, but then you could make 3 times as many cards with this free kit that you get when you purchase the bundle. So for this card, I started off with the pool party card, and I'm gonna just stamp some pool party leaves on here with one of the stamps. And I'm gonna grab a scrap paper for this. And I'm just gonna go down the edge. I'm gonna come out as far as I can because I want it to really show. Maybe I should do, how should I do this? Okay, this one's not gonna really show unless I go out like that. Okay, and then we'll do it again. Okay, so we'll keep this out because we'll need this. Next, I'm gonna stamp that fun eucalyptus stamp just on pool party. And then we will cut that out. And then I'm gonna stamp sending hugs on just a scrap piece of paper. And since I'm cutting it out, I can just go ahead and angle it. So when you are fussy cutting, you want to go ahead and move the paper and not your scissors. And so you're just gonna go around the edges here. I'm giving it a generous border because I don't wanna cut off any pieces of the sentiment. And so this is our sentiment that we will use. And now I am ready to cut this piece out. So I'll move all of this aside, and I will get out my mini die cutting and embossing machine, and I will go ahead and use the die to cut this out. Just go ahead and line everything up and put this top cutting plate on, and then we'll go ahead and roll it through. And the cracking sounds are just fine. Don't worry if it makes cracking sounds, because that is part of the process. All right, so we'll bring this card back in. I have a stitched rectangle that I've cut out, and I also have some of the leaves again from the dies. And so I'm just going to add some liquid glue to these leaves. just a couple dots like on the stem. Uh-oh, I think it's running out. No. So now I'm just gonna add these. I'm gonna offset them a little bit for more interest. Just offset this one. Then I'll use mini dimensionals on these. Okay, and we'll add this to the embellishment, and then we will add this on dimensionals. Okay, and we'll place this over on the side. And then we will add our sending hugs. Gonna offset that a little bit too. And then my favorite part, we're gonna add some of these adhesive backed sequins. These are also in the mini catalog. They're a standalone product. They're not part of a suite, but they are so pretty, and you get 180 for $7.50. So that's only 4 cents each. So fantastic deal for these sequins. And there we have our Pool Party Splendid Day card. So I'm offering a free card kit when you purchase this Splendid Day bundle or place a $40 order using my current host code. Just email me and let me know that you would like this card kit, and I will send it right out to you. Thank you so much for joining me to watch this video tutorial on the Splendid Day Suite. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like and leave a comment for my video, as well as subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I go live or post a new video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.